Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to see how you can programmatically trigger a voice AI agent using .NET. By the end of this video, you'll have a voice AI agent for subscription support that your .NET application can trigger over HTTP using Plivo. First, let's build the agent. Once you've logged in, get started by building your AI agent in a single click. Under the Agents tab, click on Create Agent and select No Code Conversational Agents. When Vibe Agent screen launches, simply type your prompt to define what you want the AI agent to do. Let's create an HTTP-triggered voice AI agent that supports subscription-related workflows. The agent should proactively call users when an important subscription action happens, understand the reason behind the change, offer relevant alternatives based on the user's needs, and help complete the next step smoothly. Hit Enter to build the flow, and once ready, click Publish to activate your voice agent. Once the agent is published, open the API Request trigger node. Plivo generates the endpoint URL your systems will call. Below that, you'll see the API Auth ID and API Auth token. These are the credentials your app will use via basic auth, so only trusted apps can trigger this agent. Under API Request Details, define the schema for the payload your backend will post whenever a user makes a subscription-related change that requires follow-up. Next, click on the language drop-down on the right. For this video, let's select .NET. Plivo generates a ready-made snippet that uses the correct endpoint URL, auth ID, auth token, and all the fields you defined in the payload. Integrate this script into your existing .NET project to make an HTTP post request to the agent endpoint whenever a subscription event occurs. Now let's test it locally. Paste the snippet into a new file, save it, and run it from your terminal. It sends a post request to your agent's URL and immediately triggers your voice AI agent. Now let's see how it works. As soon as a user turns off auto-renewal on the website, the customer automatically receives a call from the subscription support agent.
Hi, Robert. This is a call regarding your Datavine subscription. I noticed you've turned off auto-renewal. Just wanted to understand if there's a specific reason for that.
Yeah, I'm not using it as much anymore, so it didn't make sense to keep paying the same amount.
Got it. In that case, you still have a few days left in your current cycle. You could either pause your subscription for now or switch to a lower plan that better fits your usage. The basic plan includes limited access, standard support, and essential features.
Okay, that sounds better. Go ahead and switch me to the lower plan.
Done. Your plan has been updated to the basic tier. Is there anything else that I can help you with?
Actually, can I use my remaining days first and then downgrade after that?
Yes, that's possible. I can schedule the downgrade to take effect after your current cycle ends. Would you like me to do that?
Yes, please.
Done. Your current plan will remain active for the remaining days, and the downgrade will take effect automatically after that. You're all set.
And that's it. Your voice AI agent for subscription support is fully deployed. From this point on, whenever your application calls the HTTP endpoint, Plivo will trigger the agent, place an outbound call, and manage subscription-related conversations automatically using Plivo.